Using the optimized total area coverage sample configuration, we can reduce the TAC of the file below to the required threshold. Inside the configuration, we have access to reduce the TAC to the desired level. In this case, we are going to reduce it to 280%, seeing that our natural profile TAC is at 320. Let's open up the file before we process it and identify the problem areas in the image that would exceed the TAC. Let's do a quick drag and drop of our file. Opening up our new file, we can see that it reduces all of the values below our target. We have another file to showcase a necessity that will come up depending on how the file is created. It's a file with 215% background color and an overprint of 100% black text. Flattening would typically not be turned on when setting up new configurations with the Auto Setup Wizard, but it will be needed for this file to be reduced to 280%. Otherwise, the black text for this image will be treated as a separate part. And this can be done on the PDF tab by selecting Transparency Flattening and selecting the Dissolve Overprints preset. Custom settings can also be used, but the Preserve Overprints preset must be disabled. Let's process the file. And we can see from the display of the channel results, if we did not turn on transparency flattening, it would treat the text as separate from the overall TAC and would not reduce it. And if we look at the config we did turn on transparency flattening, we can see it removes some of the background color where the text is. It does come with the limitation that it is now a flattened file, reducing the workability of it.